Right, here we are, guys, setting up for hole number 5. Now what I'll typically try to do here is go mostly over power and just try to bend it around this tree a little bit. So I'm going to play at about 5 rings right around here. One of the things that you can do is you can bring Tighten if you want just a little bit more security. However, with the quarterback, I don't need to be exacting perfect. So with that in mind, I'm just going to kind of go for it with my Quasar. And you can see we get it up into the fairway here, and it's going to give us a nice, good angle at the pitch. So this is very similar. This hole and hole 1 and hole 4, you just kind of got to decide, do I want to go Tighten or do I want to go Quasar? Because with the Tighten, I can almost go no power on both of them. However, with the Quasar, I can go into the power and pull off the shot either way. So you just got to find some balance there, figure out what you're more comfortable with, and use that decision to do that. I'd probably use both of them Quasars, and then maybe on my weekend round, when I actually get around to the weekend, just switch up to a Tighten just to secure the shot when it counts. That's probably the way that I would do it if it was me. So here you'll see we are in the fairway. We're going to have a nice look at this one. Very similar to what we had before. And this is kind of what I was mentioning about the last hole. You can see that's where the +1 is. So I can use that to judge my distance. And you can see how far, I'm about 8 grids short of that here. So I can do an adjustment, and then I can make tweaks on that time and time again after I play this hole. So for instance, I'm going to probably play this one right around 4 rings, I'm thinking. Maybe just a hair more for wind effect. So 4.1, 4.2. And we're going to release. We're going to catch our perfect ball. And we're going to see how this comes in. And it looks like it's just too much on the ring adjustment. So maybe 4.0 or 3.9 it would have went in. So with that being said, next time I play this hole, I can figure out, well, is the +1 in the same spot or is it farther? Because it was right around here. Now, if that gets down here, that means you're farther to the hole. That means my adjustment might have been perfect. If I'm farther to the hole, I am going to need more wind effect, and maybe that adjustment works farther. If that +1 gets more in line with the hole, that means I'm closer to the hole. It means I'll have to go even less than the 3.9 there, maybe even 3.6. So the closer you are to the hole, you got to use some kind of aid to kind of get in just a little bit better estimation to how far you are from the hole, and that will lead to more consistent results and pitches once you start to play this hole over and over on the same wind conditions. So keep that tip in mind. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on 5.